Transporting a vase in a car can sometimes be difficult because if you put the vase down and you're driving and accelerating and braking, the vase often tips over, and this is not good. So I tried another solution. I took a bucket and I put the vase in the bucket and I put some packing snow around the vase. Now the vase is much more stable because the bucket has a wider base than the vase and the snow makes the bucket heavy, so it's relatively stable. You can see I just put the vase in and then I put some packing snow around the vase. This goes very quickly and it stabilizes the vase. Now you can carry the bucket to the car and put it in the car, and the vase will be much more stable than it was before. If you don't have snow available, it might be possible to substitute sand for the snow, but the bucket will be much heavier. Enjoy your flowers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.